My name is Sierra and I'm here with JB's Power Center to talk to you guys today about the Injen X-Pedal Pro Throttle Sensitivity Booster. Do you have a late model vehicle and do you find that you're frustrated with poor or sluggish throttle response? The Injen X-Pedal Pro completely solves that problem by increasing your throttle sensitivity. Inside the box, you will find the in-dash controller, the throttle input module, as well as all the wiring and accessories you need to do the install. The X-Pedal installs easily in as little as 5 minutes. The Injen X-Pedal Pro has lots of great features, including 9 levels of sport settings, which would increase your throttle sensitivity with each level. And if you're trying to save on fuel, it also has 7 levels of eco settings. It also has a feature called Lock the Throttle. Lock the Throttle is an innovative anti-theft device which will disable all throttle input at the push of a button. The X-Pedal works well with all of your existing performance upgrades, and if you like to go out to your local track, then you can access its launch control with anti-skid settings. If you want to learn more about the Injen X-Pedal Pro, feel free to come into any of our JB's locations or check it out on our website at jbspowercenter.com.